Have you ever been jolted awake by a neighbor's late-night party? Or maybe you were the one who had to turn the music down. We've all been there, on one side or the other. This whole dance around noise, the concept of quiet hours, feels like a modern city living problem. But what if I told you that our struggle for a little peace and quiet has a history that's thousands of years old? Let's turn down the volume and listen to the story of how quiet hours came to be. Our journey begins in ancient Rome. Picture this: bustling, crowded streets, but not with cars. Instead, you have iron-wheeled wagons clattering over stone-paved roads. The noise was unbearable, day and night. The problem got so bad that none other than Julius Caesar himself had to step in. Around 45 BC, he enacted what might be the world's first major noise ordinance. He banned wheeled traffic from the streets of Rome during the daytime, from sunrise until about the 10th hour. The idea was to let people conduct business and go about their day without a constant, deafening racket. But this created an unexpected side effect. All that traffic was just shifted to the nighttime. So, while the days became quieter, the nights became a nightmare of rattling carts and shouting drivers. The poet Juvenal famously complained that it was impossible to get any sleep in Rome, and that the constant noise was literally making people sick. This early attempt shows us a fundamental challenge. Regulating noise is a delicate balancing act. Fast forward a few centuries to medieval Europe.